Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make 2D shadows. For more content, please subscribe and press the notification button. Before we start, I will assume that you know how to set up URP and 2D lights. In the scene I have the platform and a light. To create shadows, let's select the platform. We need to add the Shadow Caster 2D component. The next step is to select the light and increase shadow intensity. Now you can see the shadow, but the shape is not precise. So select the platform again and use Edit Shape to customize your shadow. Note that you can choose on which layers you want to cast shadows. That's it for this video, see you in the next one.